Come to the cabin one last time to collect all remaining service items, any trash, newspaper, magazine, or takeout you may have brought on board. Please kindly check around your seating area and especially in your seat back pocket. We thank you for choosing Delta. We have comment cards should you request them. Will be on the ground in just a few moments. Thank you.
Water jumping.
Hello, Atlanta, ladies and gentlemen. Your local time is 2:16. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate and has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is for your safety as well as the safety of those around you. You may now use your cell phones and any other handheld electronic devices. However, personal computers may not be used at this time. Once the seatbelt sign is turned off, please be careful when opening the overhead bins to prevent injuries from bags that may fall. For those passengers making connections here in Atlanta, the gate number